Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this new video, we are going to do the complete review of this new Realme 360 camera, and I'm going to tell you my first impression. Let's get started. Let's talk about the build quality of this Realme 360 cam. This camera is built completely by plastic. You get a plastic build of this camera. On front you get the lens, and on the bottom you get the reset button and the power slot, and on bottom you get the Realme brand. On the back you get a speaker through which you can do two-way communication, and you can do two-way communication with this. On behind you get the speakers, and if you slightly tilt the lens, on the bottom you get an SD card slot on which you can store up to 120. It supports up to 120 gigabit of SD card, and then it also has H.265 encoding, which uses the less storage. So on the bottom of the lens you get the SD card slot. Let's talk about the Realme Smart Link app. Now let's open the app, and now you can see the Realme Smart Camera app. Now if we talk about the app, on the home screen you get the navigation through which you can rotate the camera or slightly tilt, and this supports 360 pan. You can rotate it 360 left or right, up or down, and also there is replay option where you can see the recorded footage from this Realme Smart Cam. Now you can filter it by type of motion, and you can see that these are the days that you can access recording. It can store, this is 64 GB of memory, so it has stored till 9 days of continuous recording, 1080p full HD, so it is pretty much good. Now if you click on the photos, you can access the photos that you have saved. You can turn on the screen recording, or you can capture a photo. These are the alerts. You can filter by alerts like human, motion or sound. Filter the replays. You can even download the clip and save in your local storage. Just click on the download button and select the parts, and you can download it to your smartphone. You can even screen record it or capture the photos. After replay we get the alerts option where it is filtered by different types of alerts, like if there is some motion, if there is some human detected, or if there is some sound detected. All the highlights are put in this section of the app. Now you get the photos that we have captured, and the videos or the screen recording of the special part that we have captured on this part, photos part. And multi-channel means if you have multiple cameras, then you can see there is in the multiple channel. You can adjust the HD or HD or FHD of this camera. Now I have set to FHD. You can even enable two-way communication with this Realme Smart Cam. If you are anywhere around the world, you can speak through this camera. Let's talk about the settings that we get. There is an option for schedules where you can set turn on and turn off schedules for this smart camera, and then there is motion tracking where this will detect the motion and pan and tilt and detect the motion according to it. Now there is image settings. If you mount it on the ceiling, you can rotate the image for 180 degrees, image quality like FHD, distortion settings and all of that things. And night mode is set to auto. Now there is alert settings. Now there are alert settings. What are alert settings? This will send push notifications to your smartphone or the smartphone that has access to this Realme Smart Camera. Like it will send you push notifications when it detects motion or some human, or if it detects sound. There are options like scheduled alarms. Now there are different alert sensitivity that you can set according to you. I've turned off the motion because we don't want to get alerted every single day, and turned on the schedules for this. Like you can turn on the alarm at the end of the night, at the night, and turn off it in the morning. Like there are options for this also. Now we go to the storage settings. You can see it is on 64 GB memory card. It has a recording mode like continuous and the motion triggered. We have set the recording option to continuous, meaning it will record 24/7, and if you want you can select it as a motion triggered, meaning if it detects some events then it will start the recording. Now there are network settings like the Wi-Fi settings. There is also an option for Wi-Fi repeater. If you have multiple Realme Smart Camera, this one camera can act as an Wi-Fi repeater, so there is no problem of signal of Wi-Fi. Now there are device sharing settings, like you can share the Realme Smart Camera access to your family members or anyone through registering through Realme Smart Connect app and sharing the access of this camera. Let's talk about the video footage. Night vision. Night vision is pretty much have good quality. It supports infrared night vision, and this is full color in night mode. Yes, it supports color mode. Colors in night mode. The night vision of this Realme Smart Camera is good. This is pitch dark, and you can see that we get absolutely good night mode. This is pitch dark, by the way. Night mode on the Realme Smart Camera is absolutely good. Let's talk about the daylight footage we get, and daylight footage is also clear. It has high dynamic range, and you can see it is good quality. Now let's talk about motion detected footages. Motion detection on this Realme Smart Camera is good. Is good. This Realme Smart Camera supports 360 pen and AI motion detection. It means if it detects your motion, it will automatically pan due to tracking of the motion. It will pan the camera due to the motion detection. Now this comes with privacy protection, meaning you can just flip the lens, then this will turn off the recording. Or if someone stole your camera, or they took out the SD card and put it into their PC to access the footages, then they cannot access the footages. The footages can be only accessed through Realme Smart Camera app. If you enjoyed this video so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching this video till end, and I will meet you in the next video.